Now in this video I'm going to show you how to set up Metamask in a browser. I'm using the Brave browser, but you can set up Metamask with Firefox, Chrome and Windows browser. You can't use it with Safari, okay? So the process is more or less the same for whatever browser you're using. Once you come to metamask.io, I'll leave the link for this below the video. You click on download and that's going to bring you to this here. You've got Chrome, iOS and Android, okay? So you've got install for Chrome and all you need to do is click install. That's going to open up a window like this and it's going to say add to browser. You get this pop up, add the extension, and you'll see that it appears at the top there, okay? So as I say, I'm in the Brave browser. So what I need to do now, because you can't actually see it, so if you go on that little jigsaw puzzle there, and then what you want to do is click on the pin, you see, and that will pop it up the top there. And if I unpin it, it removes it. So I click it on the pin, and that's it pinned at the top there. And now it says it opened this tab automatically with the fox's head. I love that, how it moves around. And it says connecting you to the Ethereum decentralized web. We're happy to see you. So I'm going to get started with a brand new wallet. So click get started. Now it will give me this screen. It will say, no, I already have a recovery phrase. Well, I'm not going to use a recovery phrase. I'm going to set up a completely new wallet. So I'm going to create a new wallet and it's going to ask me to agree to this. I'm just going to click agree. Now it's asking me to create a password. So once I've created the password, put a tick in that box and click create. Now it's going to take you to a video actually that shows you how to secure your wallet. So I'd recommend that you watch that video, but I'm going to click on next. Then it's going to take me to this page here where it says my secret recovery phase. Now you don't want to share this with anybody, but because I'm making this video, I won't use the wallet. I'm happy to share it. So I'm going to click on there and that is your secret recovery. Now, you really want to write that down on a notepad. You don't want to copy it and save it on your computer. You want to write it in a notepad so that you can find it again should your computer crash. Don't take a picture with your phone. You don't want to keep it in your phone. But what I tend to do is to write it down, get it put on a size of a business card and then get it laminated. Laminate it and keep it in your wallet or in your drawer or wherever you want to keep it. But you must keep it safe because whoever has this secret phase can get access to your wallet and obviously get access to your funds. So once you've made a note of that, you click next. Now what it's going to ask you to do is to choose the recovery phrase in order. Once you've clicked all those buttons and put them in, click confirm. And if you've got it right, it will move you on to the next screen. And it says, congratulations, you're all done. So click all done. It will then give you this little pop-up like this, so I recommend you read that. Now, if I go up to my wallet, okay, this is my wallet showing it on here, but I've also got it up here. So I open my wallet and there it is. Now, if you're interested, earning potentially hundreds or thousands of dollars every week or every month with your MetaMask wallet, then carry on watching. Let me and my team teach you on how to have a real passive income where you can earn potentially thousands of dollars every single month, just like I am in real life. Inside my VIP training program, you will get access to live training. This is not video training. This is one-on-one training where you can ask questions and get the answers to all those questions. So in this training program, you'll get access to the VIP Telegram group, where you can interact with me and my team and other members inside the group. You'll get training on how to set up wallets. You'll get training on centralized exchanges, on how to set up a centralized exchange, how to use a centralized exchange, how to send and receive cryptocurrency, how to exchange fiat currencies like your pounds, your dollars and your euros for cryptocurrency. Connecting your bank account to a centralized exchange so that you can get your money in and out of your bank when you start to make profits, and how to buy and sell cryptocurrencies. In the live training part 2, you're going to get risk and track management, DEX setup. A DEX is a decentralized exchange. How to use a DEX, LP tokens on a DEX, connecting your wallet to DEX, how to buy and sell crypto on DEX, and keeping your wallet safe. Then in part 3, You're going to know how to add networks to your wallets, how to add coins to your wallet, yield farming and staking. This is where you're going to build your real passive income that pays you day in and day out, week in, week out, month in, month out, year upon year. Absolutely mind-blowing what you can earn inside some of the sites that we're going to teach you on. DAOs, have you ever heard of DAOs? Decentralized autonomous organizations. Don't worry, we're going to show you how DAOs can change your life, really. Launchpads and IDOs, how to use blockchain scanners. We're going to show you how to use a blockchain scanner. What is a blockchain scanner? Well, a blockchain is what Bitcoin runs on, Ethereum runs on, Tron runs on. They all run on different blockchains, and we're going to show you how to use those and how to identify transactions so you can keep a track of everything that's going on to do with blockchains. How to find smart contracts. What are smart contracts? You're going to be an expert in all of this stuff by the time you get to the end of our training program. How to identify real coins from scams. And then the live training part 4. Well, this training is ongoing. This is going to be ongoing all the time, keeping you up to date with all the new stuff that's coming into the marketplace. How to identify new coins with a potential of 10x, 100x, 1000x or more ROIs. Mind-blowing. Access to new DAOs that come out. Access to new yield farms and staking that comes out. How to identify new IDOs. Don't worry if you don't know what an IDO is. It's an initial DEX offering. We're going to train you on all that stuff as well. NFTs, non-fungible tokens. Wanted to know about that? We're going to train you on that as well. There's a lot of money being made in the NFTs at the moment. Loan arbitrage. What is loan arbitrage? Well, you borrow some money from one site and they'll charge you, say, 9% a year, and you could take that same money, put it on another site and earn interest of 12% a year. So you're earning money on money that's not yours. Absolutely mind-blowing. We're going to teach you that as well. Just to give you an example of a coin that I bought recently and sold the coin at $259. That's just over 700% ROI. Absolutely mind-blowing. We're going to train you how to earn 12% a year, 63% a year, 69,000% a year via yield farming and staking. So are you interested in getting access to my VIP training? If you are, give me a like and leave me a comment for info, and I'll send you some details on how you can get access to my live training. This training is like nothing else you'll find on the internet. Nobody is teaching you this stuff, and I'm going to take you step by step and show you what I'm doing and how I'm making thousands of dollars every single week doing all of this stuff. Leave me a like, give me a comment, and I'll send you some information of how you can get access to my VIP training. You have a great day. Bye now.